How to play the prop hunt in Call of Duty Mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to play the prop hunt in Call of Duty, first of all make sure you have the latest version of the application Call of Duty mobile game. Once that is done, you must navigate to multiplayer. It is present on the section right hand side of your home page. Tap on it. Prop hunt is a seasonal mode, so it might not be available all the time, but if it's available, you will see it on the featured section. It could be named such as winter prop hunt and other prop hunts available. If you see it, tap on the option. After that, tap on the confirm bubble to start playing the prop hunt. Prop hunt is a hide and seek inspired game where you alternate between the hiding and seeking. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching, and for more such contents, keep tuning in into the channel.